Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I make Mpotopoto. So for this dish, I used garlic, onions, salt, tomatoes, pepper, palm oil, salted fish, and I used yam, but you can also use cocoyam if you want to. Before I start cooking, I like to prep my ingredients. That is what I'm doing here. I use salted fish, but you can leave it out or you can use other types of fish if that's what you want to. So start with heating the palm oil over medium fire. Here I am adding the chopped onions. I allowed it to cook for about a minute before adding half of the salted fish. Then allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes over medium fire, or a bit longer if you want to have it a bit crunchier. Okay, so when that is done, set it aside and peel the yam. And you can cut it any way you like, really, because we'll be mashing this anyways, but I like to cut it in cubes. So you want to wash the yam and then put it in your pan. Add a little bit of water and then add the tomato. I use just one tomato and pepper. I added the remaining fish and I allowed it to cook for about 10 minutes. So after about 10 minutes, you remove the pepper and the tomato. And along with a little bit of water and onion, I'm going to blend it. Allow it to cook for 10 more minutes. So here I'm removing a little bit of the soup because I wanted to have a thick texture. There are two ways in which you can mash it. You can either use your wooden spoon or your ladle, or you can use a potato masher. So here I am adding the palm oil which we cooked in the beginning and mix it. So there you have your Mpotopoto. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done yet, and if you tried this recipe, let me know in the comment section how you liked it. Thanks for watching, guys.